That's too zoomed in. Right up my nose. Is my voice gonna be in it?
Sure. I think you're gonna be able to hear any of this.
Yeah.
I need a mic or something. My family and I are going to San Luis Obispo for like a day, 2 days, because my dad is entering our sick van in a car show, so that's what we're doing. If you don't know, we have a Corvair van. You've probably seen it a lot in my videos, but we've had this van for many years. Yeah, so we're entering it in, or he's entering it in a car show, so I'm gonna take you guys along for the journey. And yeah, we're about to leave and hit the road. It's like 8:15-ish a.m. I'll see you guys on the road. Stopped at the Los Olivos grocery store and we got a few sandwiches for when we get there. We got pressed juice, of course, because yes, I got actually 2 of them. My dad got a kombucha and then we got some dates. So that was our little grocery haul. Super cute store. And now we have like an hour-ish to go, so we'll see you there. Officially made it to San Luis Obispo. My dad had a little like meeting for like how the judging's gonna go. I got a little name tag, so that's kind of cool. I feel official. We just had lunch because we were really hungry, so we had the sandwiches we got that I showed you guys, and then at 3 he has to go and like they're gonna look at the car. After that, we will see. I think we're gonna check in at our room. We're staying at the Madonna Inn. Pretty excited about that. I've never stayed there, so but right now I'm just chilling in the car because we're in the van because it's super windy outside, as you can probably tell.
Oh yeah, parking.
now let's do the full headlights.
I forgot about
Oh, okay, yeah.
Lights all right, Ken? Lights? Okay. Stop on the brake. Let's check the brake light. Brake light? Okay, now we're going to do directional. You'll have to turn your key. We'll do the left one first. Okay. Is there any backup lights on this or not?
No.
No backup. Okay. Okay, let's check for your cancellation. When you like put a right turn, you know how you turn, the thing clicks back off.
Oh, the lock of the
No,
ignition?
you don't need your switch on at all for that.
Oh, okay.
Start it. Just like if you were going to make a left turn, pull your thing to
yeah, I got you.
cancellation. Okay, the other way. Okay, thank you.
Yep. I got you.
Okay. What?
Oh, yeah, it should work. Should be working.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's start her up right now.
Doing some filming.
Yep.
Okay, and then the instruments, the only instruments you got working is your gas gauge.
Gas gauge and speedo works.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just put it in the gear and
Okay.
there you go. Okay, fine. We'll see you tomorrow then.
All right. Thanks.
What are we gonna do?
Look around now.
All right, talk a little louder because I don't have a mic.
Oh, we're gonna look at all the cars.
Okay.
All right.
I don't know what to say.
Quarterly model. AC down. It has more of a range. It has a brake.
So you had this car in high school?
Pretty much a similar car, yeah. 1962.
Okay.
That's too zoomed in.
It is?
Right up my nose.
Because it's a wide angle. How long did you have it?
Well, my dad got it in 1974, and then we fixed it up in the 80s so I could drive it in high school. My brothers used it after that.
Wait,
Our-
see it?
These badges here are only for 62.
Oh, they
I
made
don't know
it
what year
different.
this is, but 61. It's different
Oh, I see.
every year. That's a 62.
I like this one. This is cute. It looks like a banana. I wouldn't mind driving this one. Guys, I don't know anything about cars. Sorry. I like this one. Oh, it's for sale!
Fuel injection.
I think you're gonna be able to hear it.
Oh, yeah.
I need a mic or something.
Red badge. That means it's a 65.
Oh, hey! Welcome to our room. Just got to our room and we are staying in the Italy room. It's quite cute in here. So you walk in. We're staying with, there's like 2 beds. Super cute decor. And then you come into the second room. Another bed. We got a fridge in here. Makeup area here. We don't have a backyard, do we? Oh, I guess we don't. And then we got a bathroom. Super cute. Is this open? Oh, that's our backyard, I guess. This is the bathroom. Very, very cute. Another mirror. And then we got the shower in here. And yeah, this is where we'll be staying for the night. That completes the hotel room tour right now. Oh, actually, let me show you the outside. These, they're kind of cool. It's just been so windy today. So this is our outside little view. We got all the flowers. Oops. My mom and I might go to the pool right now. We might chill. We were pretty tired when we got here. I literally just sat on the couch, on the bed for like 10 minutes just to like, and yeah, but I think we're gonna check out the pool right now. And then my dad just went back to the car show, so he's there right now. So the main big judging one is tomorrow. What's tonight? Just the general competition, general car show. So tonight it's from 5 to 7, so he'll get done. We might go and check it out, but we also might just stay here. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Let's go down to the pool and we'll check that out. Okay, we did an outfit change. Same sweater from American Eagle. Got my romper. This is like my favorite thing. So currently from Z Supply, I have a Honey Swim swimsuit. Oh, and just got this. I've been meaning to read this. I got this like a month ago probably, and I was trying to finish my other book because I like finishing books and then starting a new one, but like I have 40 more pages left of it, and we're going on this trip, and I was just like, I'm just gonna bring this book and start it there. So I'm so excited. Don't leave any spoilers in the comments because I haven't read any of it yet.
Good. Purse is there.
We're gonna eat dinner soon, and I'm pretty hungry, so yeah. Wow. Nice.
Oh my gosh.
She's a liar.
We're good? Thing is huge.
Good.
Whoa.
It's got the little logo.
Good morning.
Hey, honey.
Are you ready for the big day?
Ready for the big day.
Did you think it was real?
Yeah. Now that's how you look at it now, it's all coming out the back.
That's what I just noticed.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Come on, don't be too hungry. Come over here.
I got some subs to put on your seat.
What's that?
Hey guys, we have finished with the car show. We're going to lunch right now. Kind of downtown slow, not really. We're going to Mama's Meatballs. If you're watching Liv, thanks for the recommendation. My friend Liv recommended it to us because she goes to school here. So yeah, we're gonna go there and eat, and then I'll catch up with you guys. Oh, now you can see me. I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. What's your name?
Is my voice gonna be in it?
Sure.
Right, what you're doing.
So my name's Damien. This is our lovely housemate tiramisu. Okay. We got our ladyfingers here with some fresh espresso. Right on top. Suave. Little magic secret compartment. We have our homemade mascarpone cheese by Mama herself.
Oh, no way.
She makes the cheese.
She does. Mama works. She's like a traditional Italian mom. She works all day and all night. Except right now, it's siesta time in Italy, I guess. So she's still on that.
Yeah. Good.
And this right here, we have some fresh chocolate.
It's like totally different.
We know you like that.
The whole process was like completely different than what, I mean. Ooh. It's managed to say where we are.
Put a little extra just for you, Mama.
Oh!
Another one? Oh my god.
Another one. One apetito, okay?
Thank you.